Did you know there are ETFs out there that can yield up to a staggering 90% annually? It sounds too good to be true, but these high dividend yield ETFs can supercharge your portfolio and provide a steady monthly income stream. Today, we're diving deep into the world of monthly high dividend yield ETFs, ranking them from the steady performers to the absolute powerhouses. Whether you're an experienced investor looking to optimize your returns or just starting out and seeking stable income, this list has something for everyone. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting off, we have the Yieldmax Apple Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker symbol APLY. This ETF is dishing out a yield of 11.07%. Their most recent dividend? Another 17 cents per share, a great way to tap into Apple's financial might. Next up is SPYIE Dividend ETF, ticker symbol SPYI. This ETF has a dividend yield of 11.75% and paid $5.88 per share over the past year. The dividend is paid monthly, with the last payment being 49.97 cents per share on May 24th, 2024. This ETF is all about delivering consistent, high dividends, making it a solid choice for income-focused investors. Definitely one to keep an eye on if you're chasing income. Now, let's look at the Goldman Sachs S&P 500 Core Premium Income ETF, ticker symbol GPIX. This one offers a yield ranging from 8% to 12%. The latest dividend payout was 31 cents per share, a versatile option with a strong yield. Next on our list is the JP Morgan S&P 500 Equity Premium Income ETF, ticker symbol JEPI. With a yield ranging between 9% and 12%, this ETF is a great pick for flexibility. The most recent distribution was 30 cents per share. Solid returns for savvy investors. Moving on, we have the ProShares S&P 500 High Income ETF, ticker symbol ISPY. This ETF ranges from 10% to 12% in yield. The last dividend payment? An impressive 48 cents per share. A standout choice for income-focused investors. Next, we have the SOFI Enhanced Yield ETF, ticker symbol THTI. This one brings in a distribution rate of 13.80%, making it the lowest on our list, but don't let that fool you. It's still a solid performer. The latest dividend was 17 cents per share. It combines U.S. Treasury securities with a credit spread option strategy to generate enhanced yield. It's designed to balance your portfolio with potential monthly income regardless of the market conditions. Up next is the Goldman Sachs NASDAQ 100 Core Premium Income ETF, ticker symbol GPIQ. This ETF offers a variable yield between 9% and 13.3%, and the latest dividend was 39 cents per share, a strong performer with flexibility. Next, we have the JP Morgan NASDAQ Equity Premium Income ETF, ticker symbol JEPQ. This ETF has a yield ranging from 9% to 13.3%, with the latest distribution being 34 cents per share. It seeks to deliver monthly income by providing NASDAQ 100 exposure with less volatility, using a strategy that involves investing in equities and equity derivatives. But that's not as impressive, as the Yieldmax JP Morgan Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker symbol JPMO. This ETF boasts a 14% yield, and the latest distribution was 4 cents per share. It seeks to generate monthly income by selling, writing call options on JP Morgan Chase & Company, while retaining capped participation in JPM's price gains. Now, here's the Yieldmax ExxonMobil Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker symbol XOMO, with a yield of 15.42%. Their latest dividend payment was 22 cents per share. This active managed fund seeks to generate monthly income by selling, writing call options on ExxonMobil Corp, while remaining capped participation in the price gains of XOM. A great pick for those looking to tap into the energy sector. Next, we have the Simplify Volatility Premium ETF, ticker symbol SV. This ETF offers a yield of 16.23%, with a recent payment of 30 cents per share. The fund seeks to provide investment results that correspond to approximately 1/5 to 3/10 of the inverse of the performance of a short-term volatility futures index, while also seeking to mitigate extreme volatility. A solid choice for those seeking high returns. Now, let's talk about the Yieldmax Disney Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker symbol DISO. This ETF comes with a yield of 16.92%, and the latest dividend payment was 30 cents per share. This actively managed fund seeks to generate monthly income by selling, writing call options on the Walt Disney Company, DIS, while retaining capped participation in the price gains of DIS. Perfect for Disney fans looking to invest. Next, we have the Yieldmax Block Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker SQY. This ETF boasts a yield of 21.84%, with the most recent payment being 38 cents per share, a high yield option that stands out. But something better is the FANG and Innovation Equity Premium Income ETF, ticker symbol FEPI. Despite a yield of only 25.77%, the latest payment was $1.20 per share, a unique option with a hefty dividend. Next, we have the Yieldmax AI Option Dividend ETF, ticker symbol AIYY. With an impressive yield of 27.98%, this ETF offers strong returns. The latest dividend payment was 41 cents per share, making it a top contender. Next is the Yieldmax Amazon Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker symbol AMZY. This ETF boasts a 29% yield, with the latest dividend being 68 cents per share. A great pick for those looking to invest in Amazon. This actively managed fund seeks to generate monthly income by selling, writing call options on Amazon.com Inc., AMZN, while retaining capped participation in the price gains of AMZN. With net assets of $1.13 billion and a NAV of $21.87, this ETF offers a robust option for those looking to capitalize on Amazon's market movements. The fund includes substantial holdings in U.S. Treasury bills and notes to balance its strategy and enhance stability. A great pick for those looking to invest in Amazon while seeking high income. Moving on, we have the Yieldmax mRNA Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker symbol MRNY. This ETF boasts a yield of 34.46%, with the latest payment being 59 cents per share. The fund seeks current income and exposure to the share price of Moderna Inc., with a limit on potential investment gains. High yield and consistent payouts make it an attractive option for income-focused investors. Next, we have the Yieldmax ARKK Option Income Strategy ETF. Ticker symbol OARK. With a yield of 35.29%, the latest dividend was 38 cents per share, a strong performer with high returns. But it is as impressive as the Yieldmax Microsoft Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker symbol MSFO. Well, this one ETF offers a yield of 35.5% with a recent payment of 68 cents per share. This actively managed fund seeks to generate monthly income by selling writing call options on Microsoft Corporation while retaining capped participation in the price gains of MSFT, a solid choice for tech enthusiasts. Now, let's discuss the Defiance S&P 500 Enhanced Option Income ETF, ticker symbol JEPI. JEPI is an actively managed ETF that seeks enhanced income by selling option premiums daily, utilizing a put-right strategy on the S&P 500 index to generate outsized monthly distributions. With a yield of 37.85%, the latest payment was 58 cents per share. This fund offers a balanced approach by holding U.S. Treasuries and S&P 500 index options to provide steady income coupled with equity market exposure. With net assets of $126.66 million, JEPY is a strong option with high returns. Next, we have the Yieldmax PayPal Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker PYPY. This ETF offers a 40% yield, with the latest dividend being 65 cents per share. A great choice for those looking to invest in PayPal. Now, let's look at the Crane Shares China Internet and Covered Call Strategy ETF, ticker symbol KLIP. This ETF boasts a yield of 48.53%, with the latest payment being 57 cents per share. The fund employs a covered call strategy, selling call options on the Crane Shares CSI China Internet ETF while owning shares of KWEB. This strategy generates attractive monthly distributions, highly correlated with the volatility of the underlying KWEB shares. KLIP allows investors to benefit from the income generated by the option premiums, providing limited downside protection and potentially higher distribution rates during periods of market volatility. This makes KLIP a high-yield option with a unique focus on China Internet stocks. Next, we have the Yieldmax TSLY Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker symbol TSLY. This ETF offers a 54.31% yield, with the latest payment being 4 cents per share, a modest payout, but a high yield. Now let's talk about the Defiance NASDAQ 100 Enhanced Option Income ETF, ticker symbol QQQY. This ETF boasts a yield of 56.49%, with the latest payment being 85 cents per share, a strong performer with high returns. Next is the Yieldmax Meta Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker symbol FBY. This ETF offers a yield of 61.7%, with the latest payment being $1.17 per share. A great choice for those looking to invest in Meta. Then we have the Yieldmax NVIDIA Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker symbol NVDY. This ETF offers a yield of 69.8%, with the latest payment being $1.53 per share. A top performer with impressive returns. Up next is the Defiance Russell 2000 Enhanced Option Income ETF, ticker symbol IWMY. This ETF boasts a yield of 78.85%, with the latest payment being $1.29 per share. Next up, we have the Yieldmax Netflix Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker symbol NFLY. This ETF offers a yield of 79.2%, with the latest payment being $1.25 per share. A great choice for Netflix fans. And finally, we have the Yieldmax AMD Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker symbol AMDY. This ETF boasts an incredible yield of 90.46%, with the latest payment being $1.67 per share. This actively managed fund seeks to generate monthly income by selling writing call options on Advanced Micro Devices Inc., AMD, while retaining capped participation in the price gains of AMD. The fund also holds substantial positions in the U.S. Treasury bills and notes to provide stability. The highest yield on our list and top performer, making it an attractive option for those looking to capitalize on AMD's market performance. And that's it. So, which ETF on our list surprised you the most? And, well, are there any other high-yield ETFs you think deserve a spot? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get the discussion started. In the meantime, please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.